Run from here? Where is the suspicious man?
Where'd he go? Mom, he is a kidnapper. Yes, but first, get dressed.
Mom, are we going to the market today? I want ice cream.
Okay, team. Everybody ready?
Yes, yes, yes. Wow, look at there are so many shops.
There are so many shops. Stay close to us. This market is very crowded. Nobody walks away alone.
Okay, Mom, I will stay with you. Dad,
Yes?
that man is acting strange. Yes, Dad?
Yes, Alex, you are right. He is not behaving normal. Be careful.
Mom, look at that teddy bear.
Okay, stay beside me. What happened? Lily?
Run from here?
Where is Lily? Lily!
Dad,
What is it?
this is Lily's hair clip.
But where is Lily?
Dad, please.
Don't worry, we found her?
We found together. Dad, there!
Lily!
Don't worry! Alex!
Stay behind me, Alex!
Dad, hurry! Alex!
Where is the suspicious man?
Where did he go?
I don't know. Stay close to me.
Alex! Dad, that is Lily's voice?
Yes, I also hear. Lily, where are you?
Please help me.
Are you lost?
My family is looking for me.
Stay here. You are safe.
Lily! Alex!
Are you okay?
Yes. Alex, I'm scared.
Don't worry. I'm here.
Alex!
Lily!
Stay where you are. Stop! Stay with us.
Where'd he go? Mom, he is a kidnapper.
Be careful. Max, what is it?
He's looking at those cars.
Max search kidnapper?
He is searching.
Stop right there! Stay back, kids! Stop right there! Lily, stay with Mom.
Okay, Dad. Dad, I was really scared.
I was scared too. You did the right thing by getting help. Who still wants to go shopping?
Not today.
Can we get ice cream? Of course. Dad, a rope!
Go upstairs now!
Hello, friends! Welcome to Alex Daily English, Easy Way. Let's learn English in a fun and easy, learn English every day with Alex. Let's start! Wow, it's raining again. I love peaceful mornings like this. Look, Alex! The rain is so pretty!
Yes, everything looks fresh today. Good morning! Breakfast is ready.
These pancakes smell so good.
Thank you, Mom.
Heavy rain may cause dangerous flooding today. This storm looks serious.
Heavy rain may cause dangerous flooding today.
This storm looks serious.
We need to prepare to evacuate.
The rain is getting scary.
Stay close to us.
I am scared.
Stay calm, Lily. Everyone stay together.
Dad, the water is everywhere.
We need to get ready.
Mom!
Stay calm. Everyone stay together.
Our whole street is underwater.
We'll get through this together.
Go upstairs now!
Come on, Lily!
Don't stop moving!
I've got the emergency bag. Will the rain ever stop?
It will. We'll stay together.
Did you hear that?
Stay here. I'll check. There's no one outside.
Then who knocked?
Be careful, Alex.
I think something's up there. Don't worry, I'll help you. He's safe now.
Good job, Alex.
We can't stay here much longer.
We need another way out.
The water keep raising.
Do something, honey.
This might save us.
Let's get it ready. There's a hole.
We'll fix it. One last check.
Everything is packed.
We're ready.
Stay together. We're leaving now.
We'll come back one day. Watch out! There's debris ahead.
Hold on tight.
We're going to tip over!
Hold on!
Please, Dad, save us!
Don't worry, we handle it.
The bridge!
We have to turn!
Dad! A rope!
That's our chance.
Alex! I've got it!
Pull together!
We're almost safe.
I'm thirsty.
Take the last sip.
Why is he barking? I think he hears something.
Listen, I hear it too.
We're finally safe.
Thank you for saving us.
You're safe now. Home may be damaged, but we're together.
Together. That's what matters most.
We'll rebuild. together! Thank you for watching my story. See you next time. Keep learning English. Subscribe and like. Which part did you like?